Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So the US dollar Swiss, I mean, the trend is definitely still down because it has not broken this structure yet. So anything we see to the upside still could end up being just a pullback within a downtrend. But with how impulsive up this is, even if it is a pullback, I would kind of expect it to make some sort of a three-way pullback like that before it actually continued down. And if it actually is some sort of a trend reversal, I would expect something like this, which is a very similar pattern until you get to this third wave. So as of right now, I don't really think it's that important to know the difference. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we got this nice push down. If it breaks and holds below this structure, which it looks like it is trying to, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here. Then I would be looking at this move down as very likely a pullback within the uptrend. Now, we have not broken this structure, so it may not even make this pullback. It could just keep on going up. It could reject structure and just keep on going up. This is just saying that if and when it does break structure, first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement out there, look for a pullback for either the end of a wave B or the end of a wave two, three waves down to a Fibonacci level, and then hopefully a nice engulfing move to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.